have here the churches and chapels that was built in order to promote Roman Catholicism in every municipality of the province. There are 6 fortresses in the north that was built during Spanish occupation as a defense fort against the Moro people living in the south. So these people go up and fight with the Spanish.
Oh my God.
So that's the problem the Spanish had when they occupied Palawan. Because the southern part of Palawan, it is being occupied by the Moro people.
So did I miss it? How did the Muslim people start in Philippines? I always wondered.
Before the Spanish arrived, there was missionary from Saudi Arabia that arrived in south of Palawan, Sulu in Mindanao, and Sabah.
Yes.
Actually, Palawan is under the Sultanate of Sulu and Sultanate of Borneo.
And would you say it's safe? Because all my titas say it's dangerous in Davao because there's a lot of Muslim people.
Now?
Yeah, now it's super safe.
Yeah, we were declared as insurgency free. You don't need to be afraid of the Muslim here in Palawan. Yeah, the only danger are the NPA. Yes.
There's no MPA in Palawan?
No more.
Zero.
Yes. So this one is part of the story of the Philippines. And 1898, that's the last year of the Spanish in the Philippines. It's actually a secret treaty between the Americans and the Spanish.
Wow.
The Americans offered them $20 million as a payment so that they will surrender without a fight.
Wow.
So part of the treaty is the mock battle in Manila. It's a stage battle, it's not a real battle. So that the Spanish will not be humiliated that they surrendered without a fight to the Americans.
This is awesome to know.
Yeah. Another purpose is that the Americans will be known as the liberators of the Philippines. Because that's the very purpose why they want to go to the Philippines. But how can they become the liberators if they just pay $20 million?
Right.
So they need a war. So they stage a mock battle in Manila. So the problem is that Filipino learned about the treaty in Paris. They finally discovered about the treaty, that it seems like the Spanish government sold the Philippines to the American people. And they finally realized that the Americans were here in the Philippines not to liberate the Philippines, but to colonize the Philippines. That's the start of another war, the Filipino-American War, that lasted for almost 45 years.
Wow.
The freedom fighters, they go back again in the mountains to fight against the Americans.
Wow, with their bamboo sticks.
No, during the time the Filipino had already guns.
Now they got guns for the
Yeah.
Americans.
Yeah.
Okay.